Hello, welcome back once again to Mommy's Deal. My name is Chioma. Sorry, I lost my voice. Yeah, we made pancakes for dinner, so I decided to show you how my kids joined me in making their pancakes. It was just all fun, allowing them to do some things while I helped out. So the pancakes you are seeing is made by them, made the syrup and all whatnot. So if this is something you would like to enjoy watching with your kids too, because children would like to see this. When they see other kids doing things, they will also want to do theirs. So get your kids, enjoy us making a pancake for dinner, and maybe learn a thing or two from it. So if you haven't subscribed to Mommy's Deal, I think this is the best time to do that, and also give this video a thumbs up. Just click that button, smash it and support this channel to grow, and let's just get into it. And I hope you enjoy this video. My name is Chioma once again. If I haven't said it, I can't remember if I said it or not, but yeah, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel. Then what are we going to do? Fold it actually. I'm glad you know that. Fold it actually.
Just pull them.
You are blocking. Push your hand down so that it doesn't. Oi, level. Just a little level. That's too much. Level.
I'm gonna change my hand.
Yeah, use your hand and level it. Remove some.
I think
Push it back. Push this one away.
do you pour it? I can make blueberry sauce whenever I want.